Yeah, this is our first time carrying her while she's asleep.
Hi! What's in your pocket there? You enjoying your Cheerios in there? Thank you! You just tried nodding. Again. Lola, how are you today? Fleeing the scene. Fleeing the scene. Yeah. Look who I found, just snoozing, napping the afternoon away. You're up now. You're up now. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Go back to sleep, huh? That's what you want. What? Totally want to go back to sleep, right? Excuse me. Hey. So, I decided to let you just have your fill of banana. As much as you wanted. Here you go. Go ahead. You love banana. And, I haven't eaten any of the banana. You've almost eaten an entire banana. And you're still going. I'm really starting to get worried that you're gonna throw up. Because this is the most banana you've ever eaten in one sitting. You just keep cramming it in your mouth. You decided you really like banana. And this is just a butter knife, so there's no risk that she'll cut herself. You want more? Oh my god, you are going to town on this banana. It got away from you, okay? Here you go, here you go. Good job. You want more? Here you go. Whoop whoop. Uh-oh, I dropped it. You're still gonna eat it, okay. I have not eaten any of this banana. I thought we were gonna share this banana, but here's the last piece of it. That's the last piece of the banana, and you've officially eaten a whole banana. Are you okay? You just ate a whole banana.
So, say hello and good night to my beautiful wife. If you like today's vlog, hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see more, subscribe.
Good night.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Right there. Wait, Paloma style.
No, you have to clap. Yay!